Here are the control joints that we'll be working on today. This one will require the 3 1/4 inch backer rod. However, these control joints will just require vacuuming and sealant, as they are much smaller and do not require a 3 1/4 inch backer rod. Here, we're using a flathead or a flat tip to prep the control joints, cleaning out the debris. Then afterwards, we'll vacuum. Now that we have all the control joints cleaned out, I'll grab the vacuum. The backer rod is 20 inches long, so you'll have to cut it down to fit. So here I have a smaller piece already cut, not to the specific length, but we'll slowly place it in here. And after we put it in the crack, get the right measurement, which is right about here, we'll go ahead and grab the scissors. Fairly easy. Quick snip, measure it, slowly push it in a little bit more. The idea behind applying the backer rod is so that you don't utilize all your sealant or too much sealant, because sealant is a bit expensive, around $15. You don't want to be using 2-3 cartridges in one control joint. The backer rod helps with that. Now we have here the caulk gun all prepped and ready to go with a few minor things. If you haven't used the caulk gun before, the professional ones will have a pin here to use and puncture the caulk tube. However, if you don't want to be bothered, grab a screwdriver and puncture the hole at the top just by placing it inside. Push down liquid. You're gonna take the caulk gun and just slowly. Now, as you can see how good that looks, the sealant self-levels as it states. And then you want to rest the caulk gun over something because it'll create minor messes, as you can see there, right? As you can see, we saved a lot by using the backer rod. Now we no longer need the backer rod for these sections because they're so small. So I'm going to go ahead and fill these in with the caulk. You want to take your time so you don't get it everywhere, because as you can see, these are much smaller control cracks. We're going to go ahead and fill them in, and we should be good to go. All right, stay tuned. Here's the finished product. Just a reminder to wear gloves, safety first always. Just lay it down and the sealant kind of does the rest, just seeps right into the crack. And you may have to come back with minor touch-ups in certain areas where the sealant kind of leveled out and it's a bit low. Just add a little bit more and leave it at a set in no time, and then you're good to go. For our next video, we'll cover how to repair hairline cracks. We'll address that and have it look in like new. Have a good day, guys. Bye.